Hey, what's up guys? JP here. Today's the day I let the smoke out of the box and show you guys the Chief. What am I talking about? Let me show you. Okay, this is Smokehouse Products Smoke Chief, and according to this, turn any grill into a smoker. Okay, so this is an unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox this and see what it looks like. And I'm thinking about maybe attaching this to my master built smoker. Give me a extra smoke flavor to whatever I'm smoking. Can use it for cold smoking as well. I do like to smoke some cheese. But besides that, let's unbox this Chief and see what all comes in the box. You guys stay tuned. All right, here we go. I'm gonna use my favorite knife. Okay, don't mess around. Get this open. Take a look at it. All right. Looks like important stuff right here. A little plate on the back right there. I guess this mounts, to your existing grill or smoker. Looks like they sent me some apple wood, okay, pellets. And, all right, well, not sure what that's for, but it's got to be used for something. A big old screw. More paperwork. Okay. Looks like these guys been around for a long time. 50-year anniversary. So Smokehouse Products. Nice little catalog. Take a look at that. See what they got. And here's the apparatus. Okay, I gotta look at it, see what all entails. But that's what it looks like. Little smokehouse. They kind of built it to look like a smokehouse. Have you ever been out to the Smoky Mountains and you look at some of these smokehouses? They kind of got a little shape like this. I wonder if they did that on purpose. I don't know. We'll see. Let me see what else is in the... Plug it into your car? Not sure. Kind of short. I guess I gotta read, see what that's all about. Surely you're not gonna be smoking in your car. Alright, and cord. And here's the power adapter. All right, and that's everything in the box. So we have the smokehouse, we got the power cord, we got the power adapter. Not sure what that's for. Got some pellets. Give me some kind of anchoring device so I can mount it to my existing grill or smoker. Got to make sure I read these operating instructions because this screw's got me a little worried. Not sure what that's for. All right, but besides that, I guess that's everything that came in the box. All right, you guys stay tuned, and I'm thinking about maybe doing a mounting for this as well, and see how it works. Okay, you guys stay tuned. Hey guys, figured out what this tool was for. According to the instruction manuals, they call this a clean out tool. So I guess, if too many ashes get built up and you need to clean out your smokehouse, you gotta use this screw, okay? And I guess you just ram it in there somehow. Let me see. I guess if it gets built up on the inside too much, just you know, ram it in there, clean it out. I'm not sure if it maybe goes in here, but, you know, be nice if there was a YouTube video, you know, maybe in the future, you know, somebody will come out with one. But if you got one of these with your smokehouse and you've used it, you know, put it down in the description, maybe link a video. You know, I would like to see how you use this tool, okay, because it just looks like a big old anchor, you know, maybe 5 inches, or could be a 6-inch anchor with a piece of wood on the end, okay. But besides that, mounted my mounting plate on the side. I had to take these 2 little screws off, put the plate on there and put the screws back on, and gonna attach it to the smoker and see what it looks like. I gotta burn maybe, you know, half an hour or maybe an hour worth of pellets in it, because, you know, if you smell it, it's got that oil residue on the inside, because this doesn't feel cheap, guys. This is solid piece of metal tube right here, and can't wait to try it out, see what happens. But you definitely got to get rid of that oil smell, you know. So maybe 30 minutes or maybe an hour worth of smoke and some pellets in it before you actually smoke some food. Be good, okay? You guys stay tuned, and I'm gonna attach it to my smoker and see how it comes out. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, I got it mounted, guys. Let me show it to you. It took 2 seconds. Put it on, 1 screw. All right. What I like about it is this. Boom. Take it right off. Go back to this. Done deal. Okay. Want to do some cold smoke some cheese or something? Just put my attachment back on it. Done deal. Okay. Now it's time to put some pellets in it. See how it does. You guys stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna put roughly half a cup of pellets in it, and see how it does. Okay, it says a whole cup is good for like 3 hours. You know, I'm just trying to burn the residue off and see how it does. Okay, and fire it up. See how long it takes to make some smoke. All right, it's roughly been, heck, I don't think it's even been a minute, but it's starting to bring some smoke out. Oh. Let me show you the inside. Guys, that thing makes a lot of smoke. I guess that's why they call it the Chief. All right, well, I'm gonna let that burn till it runs out. And, you know, let it smoke for about an hour, you know, see what happens. But besides that, that's the Smoke Chief by Smokehouse Products. Okay, we'll see how it does. Okay, hopefully I can use it for some cheese in the future, or maybe even for, you know, adding some additional flavor to a brisket or something. All right. I want to open this door. You guys be careful. Yes, sir. That has got a lot of smoke. Okay. Woo-wee. I see why they call it the Chief. Let me close this back up. That might be too much smoke. I don't know. But plenty of smoke coming out of there. That little bad boy. They don't call it the Chief for nothing. Okay, so anyway, that's the Smoke Chief, made by Smokehouse Products. If you guys like that video of me demonstrating how the Smoke Chief works, do me a favor, give me a subscription. Okay, you guys don't realize how important it is to get more subscribers, but it really is. It's important. If you like this video, you know, hit the subscribe button. down below. If you really like it, give me a thumbs up, obviously. And as always, guys, share this video with your friends. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys take care. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. Adios.